Welcome to Dr. Beauty Blaster, your ultimate destination for all things beauty, skincare, self-care, and confidence. From DIY remedies to fashion tips, we're here to help you shine from the inside out. Hi, I started Dr. Beauty Blaster to share my passion for beauty, fashion, and self-care with you. Whether you're looking to achieve glowing, clear skin, want to master the art of self-care at home, or need tips on rocking your wardrobe with confidence, this channel is your new go-to. Let's discover together how to elevate your beauty game with easy, natural, and effective tips that fit into your lifestyle. On Dr. Beauty Blaster, we believe in using nature's finest ingredients to achieve radiant, healthy skin. I'll show you how to make simple yet powerful DIY face masks, scrubs, and treatments using ingredients you already have at home. Say goodbye to dull skin, acne scars, and dark spots with remedies that really work. Whether it's reducing hyperpigmentation, clearing up acne, or getting that dewy glass skin look, I've got you covered with easy-to-follow skincare routines. And the best part? Everything is 100% natural and affordable. Taking care of your skin is just one part of the journey. Self-care is essential to feeling beautiful inside and out. Here at Dr. Beauty Blaster, I'm passionate about helping you build self-care routines that fit into your daily life. From relaxing at-home spa days to simple, refreshing morning and night routines, we'll create space for you to feel pampered and rejuvenated. It's all about making time for yourself, even on the busiest days. These self-care rituals will not only keep your skin glowing, but also help you feel more balanced and confident in everything you do. Now that your skin is glowing, it's time to talk about fashion and confidence. I'll help you step up your style game with fashion tips and tricks that make getting dressed fun and empowering. No matter your body type or style, you can rock any look with confidence. Whether it's casual, chic, or glam, you'll learn how to put together outfits that make you feel fabulous. And it's not just about the clothes, it's about how you feel wearing them. I'll share tips on boosting your confidence so you can step out every day looking and feeling your best. One of the best parts of this channel is you, my amazing audience. Your support and feedback mean the world to me. I love hearing your thoughts, questions, and suggestions for new content. Every comment you leave, every recommendation you make, helps me create better videos that you want to see. To all my wonderful subscribers, thank you. Whether you've been here from the start or you're just joining, you've made this journey so special. I'm so grateful for your love and support, and I can't wait to keep growing with you. If you're ready to level up your skincare, self-care, and style, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss my upcoming videos where we dive into even more beauty secrets, fashion how-tos, and self-care tips. Plus, get ready for some exciting challenges, giveaways, and live sessions where you get to ask me anything. From glowing skin to stunning outfits, we're in this journey together. So hit that subscribe button and let's keep glowing, styling, and slaying with confidence. And don't forget to drop a comment below letting me know what you want to see next. Thank you for being part of the Dr. Beauty Blaster family. Here's to glowing skin, fabulous fashion, and making self-care a priority. I can't wait to keep growing and glowing with you.